Hello, this is Diann Jeppson, and I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment using Google Docs. So, to begin with, here I am in a course in Canvas. This is Pathfinder's Writing, and I'm in the assignment called My Family Part 2, Gathering Ideas. So, I'm going to pretend that I am a fifth grader and I'm enrolled in this course and I want to do my assignment using Google Docs. So I'm going to look at the assignment instructions and I'm going to see that it says at the top I need to put my name and the words My Family Part 2. And then I'm going to do my assignment. Okay, so I want to make sure I don't lose my assignment in my Google Drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folder in Google Drive called Ensign Peak Academy Assignments. And I'll do that by being in My Drive and then clicking this plus new and then click New Folder and give it a name. Now inside that folder, I'm going to make some other folders. I'll call them subfolders because they're inside my main folder for Ensign Peak Academy assignments. And I'm going to call them the names of the different courses that I'm enrolled in. So I'm in Pathfinders Writing Part 1. I'll use the word Part 1 for the name of this folder so that I can tell the difference between Part 1 and Part 2. Then I'll click Create. Okay, now I'm going to open up that folder by double clicking on it. Now that it's open, I can do New and then Word. So I'm going to call this, let's look back at the name I'm going to call it, My Family Part 2. Okay, here we go. My Family Part 2. And then I'm going to put my name, Diann Jeppson. There we go. Now, if I just click up here to the title of the document, it's going to put most of the name. I'm going to correct it. So it's My Family Part 2. There we go. Okay, now underneath that, I'm going to do my assignment. So let's pretend I did my whole assignment. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, now it's time to submit my assignment. So I'm going to come up here to Start Assignment. Now, if I use the scroll bar on the side and scroll up a bit, I can see 3 tabs here, and one of them says Google Drive. So I'll click on Google Drive. Now, the very first time anyone submits something using Google Drive, you'll need to log in to your Drive because it's integrated with your account in Canvas. This only works if you have a Gmail address that you use for your username in Canvas. Also, you must use the Google Drive associated with that email address, the one you use for your username, or it won't work. Okay, so I'm doing that. I made an account for myself with my Gmail, and I'm signed in as a student now. So I'm going to click Authorize, and then it's going to prompt me to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. Select all. I think that's what I needed to do. Continue. Okay, there we go. So now it says Open File Picker. So I'm going to click that. And now I'm going to click on Ensign Peak Academy Assignments. That's the folder where I'm keeping my assignments. And there I can see the subfolder I made, Pathfinders Writing Part 1. I'm going to double click on it to open it. And there I see my assignment. So I'm going to click it one time. And when I do that, the select button turns the darker color blue so I can click it. So I'm going to click Select. And now I can click Submit here. And I'm also going to need to click Submit Assignment again. Submit Assignment. There we go. Okay. It says it's processing it and I can securely navigate away. Okay. There, now it's done. And I can tell that it's submitted because it says submitted right there. And this is changed to new attempt instead of start assignment. So that's how you submit something in Google Drive.